Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Rishikul Online School. Let's continue chapter 7 of history, where we are studying about caste based and tribal societies. Dear students, this is the second module of this chapter, and in this module, we shall study about nomads, itinerant groups, and about the changes which took place in caste based and tribal societies. Nomads. Dear students, nomads are wandering people. They are generally pastoralists who move from one pasture to another with their animals. They mainly lived on milk and other animal products. These nomadic pastoralists exchanged many goods with settled agriculturalists. They mainly exchanged wool, ghee, etc. for grains, cloth, utensils, and other products. They bought these goods from one place, transported them on their animals to another place, and sold them there. Many pastoral tribes reared and sold animals such as cattle and horses to the rich people. They also made and sold goods like ropes, reeds, straw, matting, and chorus sacks. Banjaras. Dear students, the Banjaras were the most important trader nomads. They usually traveled in caravans. Their caravan was called Tanda. They were very important for the economy in the medieval period. In the Mughal period, they carried grains on their bullocks from different areas and sold it in towns. They also transported food grains for the Mughal army during their military campaigns. Itinerant groups. Dear students, itinerant groups included craft persons, peddlers, and entertainers. They traveled from one place to another and practiced different occupations. Both nomads and itinerant groups often visited the same places everywhere. Changes in caste based society. The political, religious, social and economic developments in medieval India led to rise of many new jatis within the Varnas. As the economy developed, the needs of the society grew. The demand for people with specific skills rose. Communities of artisans who did specialized work such as carpenters, weavers, potters, barbers, masons began to be recognized as separate jatis by the Brahmanas. The jatis or subcastes had their own rules and customs, which were enforced by their leaders and elders. Many Rajput clans rose to prominence and established powerful kingdoms. They formed a separate group under the Kshatriya caste. Changes in tribal societies. During the medieval period, there was constant interaction between caste based and tribal societies. They both influenced each other over time, and this brought about many changes. Many tribes became part of the caste based society with the support of Brahmanas. The leading tribal families were included in the ruling class. A large majority of the tribal people joined the lower jatis of the caste based society. Many dominant tribes of Punjab, Sindh, and the northwest part of the subcontinent had adopted Islam quite early. They did not accept the unequal social order of the caste system. In fact, the social changes amongst the tribal people paved the way for the emergence of new tribal states. Dear students, that was all about this module. Thank you.